Welcome, WinterPromise families. My name is Michael. I'm in the office, and a lot of times I talk on the phone with families, and so I wanted to take another opportunity to take you inside of one of our programs, and that's our American Story 1 program. And this is newly released from just last year. It's a full-color program with amazing journaling and great engaging reading. And what I want to do over the next few videos is we're going to take a look inside some of the key resources. And today, we're going to do that with the journal. But just as an overview, our American Story 1 program covers the Native Americans and discovery of the continent, then also covers colonial life, and then the formation of our new country with the Revolutionary War. And then we also study Lewis and Clark and their expedition, the different frontiersmen that explored the West, and how we as a country expanded. And that's where American Story 1 leaves off, which is right before the Civil War, really. So that's where it ends. Today we're looking at our student journal. This is actually the first part. So our journaling resource comes in 3. You can see how substantial this journal is. It comes in 3 parts. This is just the first part. And what I want to highlight is really what our journals really do is we take this idea of narration and put it on paper. So we take several different exercises or journaling pages, all different kinds, and we want students to really take the reading and really work with it in the journal in an engaging way. So I wanted you to be able to see inside of this resource. So I've highlighted just a few pages here. So one of the really cool aspects of the program is that when you're studying colonial America, you're going to learn about the different trades and the different jobs. And so here on this page, we have in week 6, connecting the colonies. You kind of have this introductory page, kind of really visually highlights this. The student's going to be able to have the different jobs, the innkeeper, all these different people in the inn. And so if we travel here, there's a page here that they're going to be able to read this little passage. So this is something that they can do independently alongside the reading you do together. They're going to be able to cut this out if they want. All right, let's just turn the page. So then they have to answer questions and are asked, what do you think the saying means today? The saying, mind your P's and Q's. In this section, it just talks about where that comes from. And so really gets you inside the culture of the inn and the job of the innkeeper throughout. So they have these cool signs that they can cut out. And then another job that they're going to look at is the print shop. So there's 3 jobs at the print shop. You see William, Paul, and Ezra here all introduce the jobs, and that's one way that we do that here is through this kind of narration by these different characters. And so once you read about it, you're going to read it in your reading text, which we'll highlight next time. But then they kind of have a summary, and they have to match up and remember, well, what did I read? Okay, and they have to match up these jobs with each individual person. And then what's really cool is they have to fill in each part of the printing press over here, and that's just really cool. And see how different this is compared to this, but they're working through that same material, and they really can make it their own and really make it unique. All right, and that's just a really neat thing. And then one cool aspect of the program is that science is built into this program. So we call this Benjamin Franklin science, and it's just built in to what you're studying. And with Benjamin Franklin, you're going to be predicting the weather. And so the science is really unique. And that goes alongside every week you have a science passage and that you're going to read, and the journaling passage, and the different experiments that you're going to do. So hopefully looking inside of it was helpful. You saw we had it in the 3-ring binder here, like what you'll have at home. If you have any questions, you can comment on this video. Just let us know. You can message us on Facebook. You can call us in the